Hello friends, welcome back to everyone in Prayagraj city during the Mahakumbh festival in front of the Akbar Fort. Right now I am in front of the Akbar Fort, so I am going to explain regarding the Akbar Fort, which is located in Prayagraj city, Allahabad. So why it's quite popular, and so I am going to explain about the details. So Akbar Fort was built by the Mughal Emperor Akbar at Prayagraj in 1583, and the fort stands on the banks of the Yamuna river, which is near the confluence with the Ganges and Saraswati at Triveni Sangam. So let's see the view of the Yamuna river, which is clearly visible from the Akbar Fort. So it is classified by the Archaeologist Survey of India as a monument of national importance. So a stone inscription inside fort described 1583 as a foundation year, but this stone inscription related to the Asoka, which was early period situated at Kosambi and taken from there to Allahabad Fort, and Kosambi, which is also located only 60 kilometers away from the here where Asoka built the lion capital of Asoka, Asoka Stambha. So the fort was controlled by the Mughal Emperor Akbar in 1583, and Abul Fazl in his Akbarnama writes about this fort, Akbar Fort. So Akbar is also thought to have been motivated by the ability to collect taxes from the large number of pilgrims visiting the Triveni Sangam during the Kumbh at that time. And Akbar Fort was constructed in such a way that it includes the Akshayvat tree where people would commit suicide in order to achieve salvation. And this fort has 3 galleries flanked by high towers. In 1600, Mughal Prince Salim, the future Emperor Jahangir, revolted against his father and established his own court in Allahabad Fort. So the fort was first gained control by the British East India Company troops in 1765 AD as a part of Treaty of Allahabad signed after the Battle of Buxar by Commander-in-Chief of British India Robert Clive, Mughal Emperor Shah Alam, and the ruler of Awadh Nawab Shuja-ud-Dawla. So this is the whole explain regarding the history about the Akbar Fort, and nowadays it is controlled under the Archaeologist Survey of India as a national importance. So this is the view. We can see our national flag is also visible from the here, and I am going right now towards the Hanumanji Sri Bare Ganpat Hanumanji temple, which is also located and clearly visible from the here. So Bolo Siyavar Ramchandra ki Jai. So Sri Bare Hanumanji temple is also very unique and very popular and ancient temple. Here lots of people are in the queue to seek the bless of the Lord Hanuman in this temple. This temple is just opposite of the Akbar Fort. And also there is a Patalpuri temple, so which is also located from the which is enclosed by the Akbar Fort. So I am also going to explain about and visit the Patalpuri Akshayvat temple. So बोलो हर हर महादेव, जय शिव शंकर, जय भोलेनाथ, हर हर गंगे, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय.